Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert pie graph in your MS Word document. So friends, to insert this pie graph in your document, so firstly you need to select area where you want to insert pie graph. So for example, you want to insert in here, so click here, then click on insert, then click on chart, and in here select pie. You will find a list of chart. Select pie, then click on OK. That's it. Now you have pie graph on your this MS document. You can edit from here as your choice and requirement. Like first quarter, here is the 8, and we can see this first quarter is shows blue color. So you can change from 8 to 5, then press enter. So we can see changes now in here. And also friends, you can change style and design of this pie graph. Color, and quick layout. You can add some element. So if you need some changes, so just double click on it. So this all ribbon will open, and this right side panel will open, and anyhow you can more customize and design. That's it. So hopefully friends, you like this video. By this quick method we can know how to insert pie graph in MS Word document. Thanks for watching.